heart of the lush mountains, a playful and curious creature, resides the monkey. These intelligent primates captivate our imagination with their agile movements and endearing antics. Monkeys are highly social animals, forming tight-knit communities that thrive in the canopy of the forest. With their nimble limbs and long tails, they effortlessly navigate the branches, swinging from tree to tree with remarkable agility. Monkeys are opportunistic eaters, feasting on a variety of fruits, leaves, insects, and even small animals. They have a keen sense of taste and are always on the lookout for their next meal.